Do you struggle with keeping time or lacking with a beat? Most guitarists who learn through tabs focus on the numbers, but they skip the rhythms. The result, lose timing. In this video, we'll fix that by walking through 14 essential rhythm patterns, starting from chord notes all the way to syncopated figures, step by step with tab and metronome. No talking, just focused play. By the end, you won't just be following numbers. You will feel the groove and own the rhythm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks for watching. What you just saw was episode 5 from my educational series called Rhythmic Control. If you're a guitarist struggling with timing, rhythm, or just want to better understand the groove behind your playing, this series is for you. Rhythmic Control is 12-part video course, focused entirely on mastering the rhythm in music. We go step by step through note values, common rhythmic patterns, triplets, sextuplets, ties, dots, rest, and even syncopation. Less talk, more practice. The course includes over 100 exercises designed to help you internalize rhythm through repetition and feel. All episodes come with high-quality play-along videos and downloadable files in both PDF and Guitar Pro format. The entire video series is available exclusively on my Patreon, and you can also download the full companion ebook for free. You will find the link in description. Whether you are a beginner trying to build solid foundations or an intermediate player looking to tighten up your groove, this series will help you get there. Thanks again for joining me. I hope to see you inside the full course on Patreon. Let's take the control of rhythm together.